everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys one of my favorite non-alcoholic cocktails that I've been making for myself quite a bit lately now that I've decided to take a break from alcohol. This is a non-alcoholic spicy margarita using one of my favorite alcohol alternatives by a brand called Ritual. According to Ritual's website, the spirit is built for cocktails with an award-winning flavor. Ritual spirits are the healthier choice for making any cocktail zero proof by swapping out the traditional liquor for their alcohol-free alternative. This is their non-alcoholic tequila, which has notes of mesquite smoke, black peppercorn, capsaicin fruit, prickly ash, and green bell pepper. And let me tell you, out of all the non-alcoholic spirits that I've tried, this is by far my favorite for tequila. Whether you'd like a non-alcoholic option when hanging out and celebrating with friends, when having a nightcap, decompressing, are tired of hangxiety and the dreaded booze blues, you're a designated driver for the evening, you're pregnant, or you're eliminating alcohol altogether, this non-alcoholic spicy margarita cocktail is just awesome. This is a really simple and quick recipe, so let's begin. For this mocktail, you'll need some non-alcoholic tequila, some fresh lime juice, a fresh jalapeno, a lime for garnishing, and some agave syrup. You can also use some spicy salt or regular salt for garnishing the edge of your glass. To begin, I'm rimming my glass using a lime slice and then just dipping the glass into the spicy salt to rim it. Next, I'm taking a few jalapeno slices and using a muddler to crush them at the bottom of a pint glass. Next, I'm adding half an ounce of agave syrup and 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Next comes the fun stuff, which is a 2.5 ounce pour of our non-alcoholic tequila alternative. After that, I'm just going to go ahead and fill up both my glasses with ice and using my metal shaker to combine all the ingredients together by shaking it vigorously for 30 seconds. All that's left to do is double strain my non-alcoholic margarita into my rimmed glass with ice and garnish it with a fresh jalapeno slice and a slice of fresh lime. And there you go, guys, that's it. Feel free to get creative with this too. There's so many other things you can add to it, such as pineapple, mango, strawberries, watermelon, mixed berries, really a lot of options, and all of them are really good things to add to the spicy non-alcoholic margarita to make it even better. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more of these sorts of videos, and I will see you all very soon. Take care and have a great day. Bye!